Hey, welcome everybody. So now let's move on to create the gallery section. So notice here we have here our gallery. So I need to make that gallery section within the page. So in order to do that, basically I need to work on the design of the gallery. So let me go to create a new design here with Canva. I'm gonna use 1600 times 1200, and let's create this design. So basically what I'm gonna do here, I have like, let me see how many page images that I have. I have like 12. So let me try duplicate these pages, duplicate, and make another duplicates. So I created these images. So now I need to start uploading the images. So let me start by dragging and dropping the images. I asked the client to give me actual images, not AI images. These are actual images. So I'm gonna try to add them to the website. So let's start with the first one. This is the second one. So try to make the size of these images the same. So unify, let me say, unify the size of the images. So this is I have like 12 images, so let me work on them. All right, let's add more. Okay, this image right there, so we could make it bigger and better, or too big. So let me try and make it a little bit. Sounds good. Add more. So that's what I like about Canva. You can unify the work, you can stabilize the work, and that's really one of the great tools to be used, and very simple. All right, so this is like heavy duty. Let's add more. Motorcycle. Trucks. Night. Midnight towing. All right, that's really good. Adult towing, very clear. Let's add this one. This is Amazon Prime, and this is the last one. Let me see. Got that correctly? Yeah. So I got all these images uploaded. So now I need to add the logo. I need to add the logo to these images so people can, see the brand or feel the brand. Let me say. So let's start with the square logo. So I have like multiple logos here. Let me start with this one. All right. So I need to minimize it a little bit. That's the first one. Second, we can put it here. Third one, we can put it here. Fourth. So I think this place is better. So let's put it here. This one here. This one here. The rest of the images. So I'm gonna put the logo on them. This should be here. All right. This one is here, I think. All right. Let's take one from here. Let me see. So now we got the logo on all the images. That's really cool. So I can click on share, download, and click on the GBIG format and click download. So after you download all these images, we're gonna click create a folder. Create a folder. So here, I'm just gonna create a new folder called Gallery. And I'm gonna take all these images and put them within that gallery. So let me click here, extract, and let's say here adult towing gallery. Alright, so I put all these images. Now I need to generate the title, or let me say name for the towing. So let me say ask ChatGPT, I need to rename all images and mention adult towing Kinner. Give me a good name. So I asked just ChatGPT to give me suggestions for the name. So these are basically yeah, so the suggestions. So I can say adult towing Kinner car towing. So that's the name they're gonna use. So here you go to that folder, the gallery folder, you select all the images, click rename, and I'm just gonna say adult towing Kinner car towing. Alright, and click on enter. So now I'm just gonna rename all the images. So I'm gonna use these images for the gallery. So in order to start with gallery, notice here I said our gallery. So once I click on the gallery, it should go to the gallery. So where's the best place to add it? I'm just gonna duplicate this section, the testimonial sections. We have here like columns, and just gonna remove like the entire content. So let me just remove this and just stick with just gonna remove them all. Alright, I don't need any column section here, just remove it. Alright, I'm gonna add a new gallery. So if you search for the word image gallery, you can type it here. So you'll be asked to add gallery. So let me go to the images that we just renamed and upload them over here. So we're going to upload the whole images to the website. Notice the size. The size is about 3 meg. They're not small, but we have consistency in the size. So all the images are the same size. They got the logo, and they are branded. And that's really cool. We can retouch the images, add like gradient, play with the colors, and all of that, but it's okay for us right now. So let me add all these images to the gallery. You can caption all these images, but I'm just gonna stick with the name. So these are the 12 images that we got. They really look nice, and this is we're gonna say our gallery, and let's give it an ID. So we go here, HTML attribute, let's say gallery. This is the gallery, this is the gallery section. So right now, if somebody click on the our gallery, alright, if somebody click on this button, we're gonna go scroll behavior or animation and click, and if somebody click on this link, I'm gonna edit the section and we're gonna target the gallery section and apply. So if somebody click on the gallery, our gallery, we're gonna take the user to the gallery section. Alright, so here same thing for here, our gallery. We need to add for the button, we need to add a link. So we're just gonna say gallery section and gonna save it. And if somebody call us or requested to call us, we need to copy that call us now button, and we're gonna convert it to a telephone. So till, you can say till, and we just type in the phone number. That's what we need. And the same thing for the call to action over here. We're gonna say till and convert it to telephone number. Alright, so these are the main sections. The gallery, you can list it out. So if you can save the setting, make sure that you save the setting, go to the main page. And right now, if somebody click on our gallery, we're gonna take them, scroll the user to the gallery section. Notice the images are not clickable, so we need to add more settings to the gallery. So if you click on the gallery, there's main options here. Crop image to fit, that's good. We need to click behavior, open full screen, live box, and we need the full screen image should be match the original image. That's a necessary thing inside the gallery, the image gallery. So right now, if somebody opened, click on our gallery and click on a certain image, you can see now we got the full screen gallery opened, and that's really cool. In the future, if you need to add more images, all what you have to do is select the gallery, and next you edit the selection, click on edit selection and add more images. You can add to gallery, and you just select a certain image, add it to the gallery. If you need to remove it, you just remove it from there, and that's pretty much it. Alright, so once you finish the settings, you just save, and we got our gallery. It's done. It's really perfect. Next video, we're just gonna work on the menu at the main sections, the main section in the page, and after that we're gonna move on to the footer.